Welcome dear devotees in the today's story of Maharaj Ji. A few weeks after Maharaj Ji's Mahasamadhi, a stranger come to the Hanuman temple in Lucknow. He questioned the priest about the beads he wore around his neck, and the priest replied they were tulsi beads that Maharaj Ji had given to him. The stranger said that he knew Maharaj Ji and thought that he was a great soul. He asked to be shown around the ashram and upon entering the bedroom kept ready for Maharaj Ji. The man pointed to an urn sitting on the bed and inquired about it. The priest realized that the man didn't know about Maharaj Ji's Mahasamadhi. He told him that the urn contained ashes from Maharaj Ji's cremation. The man was shocked and he said that this was impossible since he had just seen Maharaj Ji a few days earlier in Amarkantak. He said that Maharaj Ji had worn only a burlap sack around his waist and no other clothing. Maharaj Ji had told him that he had left his blanket in Kanchi and that from then on he wouldn't wear expensive dhotis. He had said that ashrams were prisons and that they caused attachment to creep back into the mind of sadhu, who were supposed to have cleansed their mind of attachment. Maharaj Ji had said that he had run away from the ashram and that had never returned. From now on he would live in the jungle and have time to sing and pray without disturbance. The priest was taken aback by the man's revelation. A moment later he turned to question the stranger and he discovered that the man had disappeared. Maharaj Ji told me 2 or 3 years ago that he would bring me 3 things. He didn't and I never reminded him because he does what he does. I never asked him anything. Whatever he did for me come from his own mouth. The 3 things that he wanted to give me were Rudraksh weeds from Pashupatinath, a Shivlingam from the Narmada river and a special conch. After Maharaj Ji's death, a sadhu came and gave these to me. He said, "These are being sent for you." This young sadhu came their time. The last time he made it clear everything is being done according to the orders of Baba Neem Karoli. Outside of these 3 visits, I never saw him and he come only to this house. I never searched or inquired after the sadhu. If we inquire, that means there is curiosity and that we want something and that is not our duty. Whatever Maharaj Ji is doing, he is doing. The sadhu came to me and fulfilled the words uttered from Maharaj Ji's mouth. I suppose that it is he. Since that day I am confirmed that he is with me. Thank you for joining us in today's Katha. For more tales, subscribe our channel. Hare Krishna.